Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, or if we can't get your credit approved, we'll give you $100 cash. Today I've got a beautiful 2017 Toyota Camry SE. This thing's only got 48,000 miles, gets great gas mileage, over 30 miles to the gallon on the highway. If you set it on cruise control, you can probably get a little over 40. Brand new tires and rims all the way around. Had those custom put on. They were not cut or anything to put them on there. They were made to fit it. It's a SE model. It's got a little backup camera in it. Still has a factory warranty on it. It's a Carfax one-owner rig. As you can see, the tread on these tires is excellent. They are brand new. Got probably less than 100 miles on them. Inside is super clean. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat with lumbar support. Got a couple of keys. One that's got the fob with the locks on it, and one's just your standard ignition key. Let's go ahead and, whoops, get my finger in the way. Let's go ahead and start it up and look at some of these other features. The heat is working excellent. Got a little touch screen there. Bluetooth audio, AM, FM. It's got in-steering controls for your Bluetooth or your radio. It's got a little charging port down there, auxiliary, USB. You can see that. Your 12-volt charging, your cup holders. Got extra storage in there with another charging port. It's got a backup camera when you put it in reverse. It's got 48,306 on it. Less than 50,000 miles, which means it also still has the factory powertrain on it. As you can see, it's still got all the original books included within it. CD player. One owner car. It's got that mix of that leather cloth type deal. It's common on the SEs. It does have some floor mats, power windows there. Huge trunk space. I don't know if you can see just how big that trunk space is. Also, you got the ability there to fold down those seats, give you even more room in the back. SE model. Get another closer look at those tires. Brand new. Power windows, power locks on the passenger side. Again, your leather and your cloth mix. Embroidered leather looking dash right there. Less than 50,000 miles. Let's take a look under the hood. It's got a little 4-cylinder in it. Great gas mileage. Clean under the hood. Clean battery. Engine, just a slight layer of dust to be expected. Not a lot of mud or dirt. A few leaves. I'd love to get you approved on this car. If you go to mallardmotors.com and fill out the application, that's Mallard like the duck, motors.com, I'd be happy to get you an approval back. And remember, if I can't get you approved, you get $100 cash. Remember, trust the duck.